Hello everybody. Well, we have a video for today. Today's video is a video of my dog. There, the crazy lady is. She is a Labrador Retriever, or I just call her a Lab. But her name's Sadie. She is turning 2 years old on April 22nd, Earth Day. So she was born, as of now, I think it's April 10th. Say hi. Don't smooch it. She's a kisser. And come on, go potty. No, don't bite it. But yeah, she's turning 2, and how I got her was, well, so our dog had a baby. Well, our dog had 8 babies, 8 puppies, had a litter, and out came Sadie, and we have Sadie. Come on. And we have 4 dogs as of now. Sadie! Come on, go potty. Time to go doo-doo. Go dookie. Yeah, she got to go potty. It's her potty break. But, oh, whoa. Okay, we'll look at Sassy. Oh, she's done. Say hi. And so anyhow, I got to keep a dog out there, out of the litter from Ellie. Her name's Ellie, the mom of them. She's 6 years old. And my sister kept a dog. My dad kept a dog. She's a female. And my sister kept the female. All labs. Full lab. There's no mutt in them or anything. And she's gonna potty again. And so, okay, she's done. And so, my dad kept a boy. Well, in the litter there was 7 girls and 1 boy. That's it. So, well, that's a lot, but somehow there was only 1 boy, and we kept him, and his name's Buck. He's a little sweetheart. Leave in the comments down below if you want to see a video of Buck, because he's a sweetheart. He is. And where is she doing? She's running off. But anyhow, and my sister named the dog Indy, and I named her Sadie. And yeah, so definitely leave in the comments if you want to see a video of Buck, because he's a sweet dog. He'll let you about do anything. Like if you ever look a dog shirt, you can put it on him like Sadie. But I'll show you. I got a dog afro in my pocket. Don't ask why. I'll show you. Sadie, here. Sadie, baby. That's a dog afro. Got it at Petco for like $2, which, yeah, they look crazy in it. Sadie! Yeah, I've tried filming her, 5 times, and every time it's gone wrong. So if you're seeing this, you're very lucky that I finally got it good. But I'll show you. Sadie! Here! But I'm definitely gonna do a video of her on her birthday, opening all her birthday presents. I'm trying to get her. What do you eat? What do you eat? I heard you, cutie. Oh, well, sorry. Yeah, kitty. Just had kittens. I published that video not too long ago, so the video's out. But yeah, so this is Sadie, as I said. But I'll show you action of her. She's an outdoor dog, and my mom doesn't really like having cats or dogs in the house. Oh, but somehow reptiles and amphibians. Sadie! Her nicknames is Sugar Boo Boo, Schnuckum Doodles, Sadie Baby, my little honey buns, and yeah, she's got all sorts of nicknames. I won't list them all. I'm sure you guys don't want to hear her names. Sadie, would you come here? I got an afro for you. Sit. Sadie, leave alone the kitty. She knows sit. She does. She's just not being good today. Sadie, sit. 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 She thinks she's gonna eat the afro. Hey! Sit. 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 Sit your booty down. Sit. Sadie. Ow! No, not jump. We're gonna put that for. Okay, I can't get on, but I'll do a complete separate video of a dog wearing an afro. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I don't know when that comes, but yeah. And yeah, I got some video ideas what we can do with her. There'll definitely be more videos of Sadie in the summer. Right now it's middle of April and it's like I'm wearing a coat. You can see that. And it's cold. It's probably like 35 and cloudy. So, and it's middle of April. So I'm ready for warmth. If you are up more north, I'm sure you guys are ready for summer too. Don't eat corn. That's how you're gonna get an impaction and die. Sadie. You like your thighs. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that snout. Oh, it's okay. Oh, don't kiss the camera. Nice big sloppy kiss. Sadie, come on. Ready for dinner? Come on, it's dinner time. Sadie. Okay, oh, man. I planted 100 trees not too long ago and they're all dying. Okay, we'll get her some action for running. Sadie. Sadie. Sadie, come on. Come on. Sassy, a cat. Why is a cat listening better than a dog? Come on. Okay, I guess we'll watch Sassy. This video is supposed to be of a dog, not a cat. Come on. Run. Run. Here, I'll show you. I gotta get to the house faster. But I'll show you a video of her doing a retrieve. These white little things. And I'll show you. But, let me get there. Oh, the house is so far away. And there's a cat. Come on, sweet pie. I gotta keep this video quick today. Fine here. Have to keep it under 11 minutes. That's Peter's folder. And there's a piece he broke. Okay. This is what the thing is. You throw it and then retrieve it. I'll show you. Come on. Okay. Sadie. Sit. 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 No. Sadie. There she goes. Do you see it? Get the bumper. No, what are you doing? She always does better than this. Sadie, get the bumper. Get the bumper. Sadie, what are you doing? Do you want to get an afro on your head and get the bumper on? Come on. Don't sniff that. I don't sniff Dookie. Sadie! Okay, I'll do more videos of her in the future. You'll see videos like more retrieves and stuff like that. So I gotta wrap this video up. And yeah, I'll give you guys more footage in the future of Sadie, but someone's in our driveway. Sadie, it's a bugler. Okay, he's leaving. Oh. Okay, I gotta wrap up this video. So, yeah, I'll give you more footage later on. But thank you all for watching. As always, subscribe. I do sub for sub. Just got a comment that she's subscribed. And yeah, like, comment, you know, anything. Any video requests. But yeah, I gotta go. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.